Hello and good afternoon. My name is Dizelle Mallory, owner and founder of Baywide Disability. If you need to contact me, my number is 916-696-7961. Don't forget to subscribe to this video as I'll be coming out with new videos every week. Press the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Thank you. In today's discussion, I'll be talking about SSI and housing as to how it relates to your benefits. To get started, we must understand that SSI is a means program. Means, M-E-A-N-S, means that it's a program in which you have not paid into Social Security or you have limited credits that you are not qualified for SSDI. As a result of that, people who are on SSI and move, their benefits will be reduced. Now, there is a way in which that can be alleviated to where it will not affect your benefits. In order for me or any other advocate to help you, please call. The reason why Social Security does that is when you receive benefits, SSI benefits, or even SSDI benefits, Social Security should have sent you some information regarding your rights and responsibilities. Under the rights and responsibilities for each program, it tells you what you are responsible in providing Social Security. And one of the things that Social Security asks you, especially for SSI, that you must comply with is notify them every time you move. Notify Social Security when you work. Notify Social Security if your disability has gotten better. If you're on SSI, notify Social Security if someone moved into your house. These are just some of the things that you must report to Social Security as it may affect your benefits. In certain situations, it may not affect your benefits, but in order for me or any other advocate to effectively determine whether or not Social Security has made a mistake in reducing your benefits because of these situations that were described earlier, please give me a call so I can evaluate your case. Now, as an advocate, I have plenty of experience in handling these kind of cases in front of Social Security nationwide. So, if you have a problem with any kind of SSI or SSDI problem regarding post-eligibility claims such as overpayment, housing, work, improvement of disability, which is continuing disability review, or any other case after you have received your benefits, please feel free to give me a call at 916-696-7961. My website is www.baywd.com. Or if you would like to have me talk to you or a group of people over at your facility, place of business, feel free to give me a call and I will be glad to talk about any Social Security issues that you would like for me to talk about. With that in mind, I thank you for watching and have a nice day.